there, this is All I Do Is Dream of You for all my girls. You start with your left leg on the ground, your right hip popped. You're gonna pop your hips, all I do, then left hands to your left side is dream of you the whole day through. Then there's a 1, 2, 3 in the music. Then you're gonna prep to turn to your left with the dawn. I still go on, dreaming of you. Pop your hips out and your hands to the side. Okay, then you're gonna open up and do a grapevine or karaoke to the right, with every thought, with everything. And then you're gonna turn back, and then summer, winter, autumn, and spring. And then you're gonna box step, and we're there more than 24. Hands go up, head bops back, 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 while your hands go in like a clock. Hours a day. And then you're gonna bring the other hand down, okay? Then you're gonna do another box step. Baby spent in sweet content, dreaming away. Okay, then when skies are gray, you're going out this way. When skies are gray, it's the grapevine again. Morning, noon, and nighttime too. All I do. And then nighttime 2 is when you turn. Then all I do, you're doing a right across your body is dream of you. Sorry, all I do the whole day through, and then back to this one is dream of you. Okay, then it's the music without any singing. So you'll start with a step with your left hand going out, your right hand going back, and your right foot going forward. So it's a little bit of a modified Charleston is what you're doing. And you're gonna do a hip, step back, hip, step back. Okay, and you do that 3 times. Then you're gonna do just a regular pivot around. Then you switch feet, and it'll be a kick, step back, kick, step back, kick, step back, pivot the other way. Then, let's pause there for a second.